Hello, so it just happened. The NXT stand and deliver the NXT takeover. We used to say that last video when I talk about the World Wrestling Entertainment, I forgot about the pay per views name. So it just happened and it was incredible. I cannot wake up early and watch it, so I watch the repeat telecast. And first thing, I don't have NXT 10-1, so I don't know what the commentator said, because I watched it in Sony 10-3. So it was in Hindi, and in reality Hindi, they when they talk about the wrestling show in Hindi, it kills the fun sometime, but it's okay. I was expecting a big thing from the NXT takeover, because it was always a big thing, because they always go for these kind of big moves and a kick from here, kick from there, and lots of other happened. But I didn't find out. I didn't get any of this in this pay per view. It was like because I think I used to watch highlight, and in highlight they only shows the big moves, so that's why when the match length was long, so I think I might have not enjoyed it. But the main event that just happened, it was incredible. Io Shirai versus Raquel Gonzalez, and I have said in my videos before that. So I have said in my previous videos that NXT Women's Division is the best women's division that ever been created. They do many things in their division. You watch them. What is the same? You watch the main roster, and then you watch the NXT women's division. No, you see what is the match they have for WrestleMania: Asuka versus Rhea Ripley. No storyline, no building, nothing. Okay, and Priyanka Belair versus Sasha Banks. That is nothing. There was no storyline over there too, and it was like we have to take a match, so we are giving a match. It's just simple as that. I mean, it is not even qualify for a normal pay-per-view. It's that storyline not even qualify for a normal episode of Raw or SmackDown, but they are showing it on a WrestleMania in way. And look at the NXT now, the Yoshirai versus Raquel. The story was Yoshirai self chooses her as her opponent. She wanted to prove that I am not just a champion. I She wanted to say that I am the best woman in the roster. These two are both different things, no? You see the Miz, no? I like the Miz very much. He's a great heel, but you see his title, right? No, there are many deserving. Deserving, no. There are many talented and powerful people around him, but he still managed to get the title. She is not want to be like that. She wanted to be like a fighting champion or something. If you watch her wrestling style or anything, like how she fight, first thing, her clothes was great. I don't know who designed this kind of a thing, but it was a green, fully covered, and it was like awesome. Many people wears a different kind of clothes, but they don't even look like the best. But she's wearing like clothes like Rey Mysterio or something. Her moves and stuff are like especially to Rey Mysterio. She looked like him, but in a she looked like a Undertaker and Rey Mysterio's mix in a women's way. She's a heel, and her all. If you look at her face, you will see the image of the Undertaker in there, and if you look at the clothes, you see the Rey Mysterio, and her moves are also like that. Athlete. She's agility. You see the Wrestling Revolution 3D game. In that, in the what they say, power or strength, she has crossed the level of 80 or 85 in agility. Okay, you understand, no? So the match was incredible. I was like shocked. I mean, I watched first time her match. I mean, I have watched it before, but it was like highlight. It was in highlight. I mean, this is the first time I watch her full match. And because I live in a normal, what they say, middle class family, and they don't like to watch this kind of stuff. So because they focus on their clothes, they don't focus on the wrestling style. So I don't really watch it on a TV, but they both were wearing very good clothes. So I mean, I'm not talking about good, I'm talking about fully covered. So that's why. So the match was incredible, and I'm like not. I don't like she loses the match, because I wanted her to defend one more time, and let me see how she works in the roster. But but I think I have to watch her previous episodes of the NXT before I do that. Um, but I but I don't have a subscription of a Peacock or WWE Network, so but we'll see what will happen. So the everything was on the show was great. The tag team match, you have to watch the tag team match that happened between three, and that was like a highlight. That full tag team match was really like a highlight. I mean, every single moves they deliver, it was incredible. And some people, I wanted to win the Raul Mendoza, and some name wanted to win him that, but he didn't win that. Some other people do, I don't remember their name. Okay. And I hate the result of what they say, United Kingdom Championship. I mean, that is the best looking championship that I have ever seen. Since I was watching. I mean, the SmackDown Women's Championship look really good. I mean, blue and red and white, but still, that championship look, United Kingdom Championship look like a championship. I mean, it's a good belt. So where I was. The result of the match, I don't like it, because you look in the past, no, Tommaso Ciampa was the NXT champion for a long, long time, and was they say Johnny Gargano, huh? Right? I always remember him as a Johnny Gargano. I mean, I don't know why, but their rivalry was so much great. You watch the whole storyline, you will see how great were they, and he loses to that guy. I mean, he is strong, he look like a little Brock Lesnar, but still, I mean, that's a 700 or 30 plus days, that's a lot. And this is the main thing. I mean, this is equal to WrestleMania. You have to like leave the championship, no? I mean, you may be a good faction, or the storyline will be good, but if you hold the title for the long, long, long time, I mean, I know the winner of the title get more, what they say, positive popularity in the business after he loses, but still, I don't like the long reigning championship reign. I mean, 1 year, 1.5 year is okay, but after that, it doesn't look good. I mean, Asuka, you look Asuka in NXT, she was like the greatest champion in there. I mean, the longest reigning champion also of the women's division. Before that, it was a Paige, but Paige has to, like, she won the Divas Championship, so she have to give it up. Okay. And that Asuka also have to give it up, because she wanted to move to the main roster, and now see what we do. She is a champion now, but still, it's hateful. I mean, she is a champion, but she don't have a storyline that she shows her as a champion. She don't have a storyline that shows her as a champion. Okay, that's a lot. I mean, you look the Shirai and the Raquel Gonzalez. She will be also a great champion. I don't like her makeup, but still, she will be a good champion. I think, because she's really look powerful, and her she has a body like man. I mean, the muscle. I mean, I have to a little bit. I mean, I left the gym before, but it still counts, no? No, 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 not like that. I mean, I have to join the gym again to do that. Okay, so I mean, I leave because I thought that examinations are coming, and I think they are coming, and I didn't read anything at all. That's disgusting. Okay, so the night one was good. Every matches was good. I don't like the result of the United Kingdom Championship and the NXT Women's Championship too. But I think she will be a great champion, and I want to see Yoshirai in the main roster. But there is one more thing that Vince don't like demolish or demean her character. I mean, what he did with the Asuka and what he did with the Shinsuke Nakamura and what he had done to the Finn Balor, that he has to go back to NXT to regain everything that he had. Okay, you understand what I am saying, no? I mean, सीधे भाषा में बोले तो विंस ने उसका कचरा नहीं करना चाहिए. Because she loses the championship there, so she will be coming, and I hope she come into the SmackDown that their women's division can like boost a little up. I mean, she don't look. I don't look her as a raw material, so she has to like come on the SmackDown because SmackDown Women's Championship looks good. So that is it for today. We will talk about the NXT Night 2 later. I mean, some. Okay, how much minute is it? It's 11 minute. Okay, let's talk about something else. I have told you that I have watched the Traveler series, and there are more episodes that I have watched, and it was great. I mean, I only like so far only three characters that I have liked in the whole series. That first I told you about the David. I mean, Marcy is the character that carries it, but I don't like her as a cop when she was innocent and stupid. That was a great character she played. I mean, it's like you like when you like Catherine Pierce and you hate Elena Gilbert, so, but they both character are played by one person. So it is like that. But the first is David, and the second is Grace. You know the Grace. I mean, her character is incredible. I will tell you about the third in next video. So Grace is incredible. I mean, she was the teacher of one of the travelers before, and when the conscious mind took her body, then she was a computer genius. I mean, she was a programmer and everything. She actually solves people to, I mean, medical, everything she solves by the programming technique. I don't know how she do that, but she does. And her character is like more speaker kind of a thing. She speaks a lot. I mean, she don't care what other people will think about them, but she speaks a lot. And her and what they say, traveler. I mean, traveler or travel. It's a different name, but just remember it's a trail. And their story is also a good story. I mean, they don't give her them that much screen time. I don't know why, but that story can be like a good. I mean, I haven't watched the full episode, so I will see what they do in future. But their storyline was really really good, and the person who played that character is awesome. I know she's like very old from us, but still it's awesome. Okay, then I think the minute has gone, so bye.